It's gonna rain, Lord, you better get ready and bear this in mind. God showed Noah the rainbow sign. It won't be water, but fire the next time. Noah said, I'm sorry, my friend. God's got the key, and you can't get in. If something don't happen to the hearts of men, the same thing is gonna happen again. I tell you, it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain, Lord, you better get ready and bear this in mind. God showed Noah the rainbow sign. It won't be water, but fire the next